3 brain hacks to become smarter. Smarter people seem to have a secret. They know things that others don't. In fact, they know so many things that other people don't that they have entire books filled with their knowledge. You see, smarter people read more books than others do. And reading helps us develop new brain hacks to become smarter. You see, the human brain is like a computer in many ways. The more we use it, the faster and more efficiently it functions. When you challenge your brain to think in new, different ways, you strengthen those neural pathways and build up your cognitive reserve, which makes you less susceptible to Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia later in life. Change up your environment. One of the best ways to become smarter is to change your surroundings from time to space. When you do this, your brain has to engage in new activities and experiences. This causes neurons to fire more frequently and builds more connections between them. This is how we build new neural pathways, which helps us become smarter. So, if you're looking for an easy way to increase your intelligence, try switching up your environment. Try traveling to a new place or try taking up a new hobby. Doing so will help you learn new things and build new connections in your brain. And the more connections you build, the smarter you become. Read more books. Reading is another simple way to become smarter. When we read, our brains make connections between what we've read and things we already know. This helps us make new connections in our brain and build new neural pathways. It also helps us access our long-term memory, which is the part of our brain that stores information we've learned and seen over a long period of time. When we read, we trigger that part of our mind, which helps us remember things better. Reading is a proven way to strengthen your memory and improve your overall intelligence. In fact, reading has been shown to increase our brain power and intelligence by as much as 10%. That's because it requires more from our brains than watching TV does. When we read a book, we have to think about what we're reading and process the information. This is called cognitive processing, and it develops our critical thinking skills. Furthermore, reading challenges our brains to think in new ways and strengthens neural pathways. And the more we challenge our brains, the more intelligent we become. Exercise your brain more often. When we exercise, it causes our brains to produce new cells and creates fresh pathways between neurons. This is great since it allows us to strengthen our brains and boost our ability to learn. If you want to become smarter, you should exercise your brain more often. Try solving puzzles, reading challenging books, or completing crossword or Sudoku puzzles. These activities engage your brain and strengthen it over time. And the more you exercise your brain, the more intelligent you become. But don't forget that exercise is good for your body as well. Physical activity improves your mood, helps you sleep better, and decreases the risk of disease. So make sure to include exercise in your daily routine. You don't have to spend hours at the gym to benefit. Simple activities like walking, stretching, and doing yoga are great for your brain. Cognitive behavioral therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is a type of therapy that helps you challenge your negative thoughts and emotions. It's the most effective, evidence-based way to become smarter. This type of therapy helps people learn how to manage their emotions, improve their relationships, and become more effective at work. It helps us become more positive and less negative, which makes us smarter. That's because it helps us identify negative thinking patterns and correct them. When we correct our negative thoughts and emotions, it allows our brains to function more efficiently. It helps us think more clearly about our problems and find better solutions. And it helps us think more logically and solve problems more efficiently. Learn a new language. Learning a new language is one of the best things you can do to become smarter. It challenges your brain to think in different ways and makes you more creative. That's because learning a new language requires you to think outside the box. You have to look at things from a new perspective and find new ways to communicate your thoughts and feelings. If you're looking for an easy way to boost your intelligence, learning a new language is a great option. Learning a new language improves your attention span, problem-solving skills, and communication abilities. It also helps you improve your memory and makes you less susceptible to Alzheimer's disease. It's great for your mental health and makes you smarter. Learning a language is great for your brain and helps you become smarter. But don't forget to practice what you've learned. The more you practice speaking a language, the better you'll get at it. There are lots of ways to become smarter. You can read more books, change up your environment, exercise your brain more often, or learn a new language. Or you can try one of the other brain hacks listed in this article. It all comes down to making an effort to become smarter. If you make a goal to become smarter, you will succeed. You just have to put in the work. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.